Good morning, Outdoor Office family. What are y'all doing out here today?
I don't know.
Is that line level?
Yeah.
Holy smokes. Are you sure?
What?
What? All right, guys, girls. How y'all doing today? I'm teaching Caleb and Isaac how to repair some sheetrock.
Where's the sheetrock saw?
Sheetrock saw, you got it in your hand. I'll show you how to do it.
This is
Guys, that's a razor knife.
Yeah.
You don't jerk it out of somebody's hand.
Yeah.
All right, so
Jerk out of somebody's hand.
let's get this thing started.
This isn't sheetrock saw.
I'll show you what you need to do. All right. There you go. You can do that too.
Ah.
Just pull that out of there.
Back off.
Just keep
Or no.
slow down. Slow down. So the boys help me get it level, so we can have a good square cut.
Yeah, I want to cut some, Caleb.
And once we get this cleared out, I see another piece down here we may have to repair, but we will see. I forgot about this because this hole has been in here since we moved in, and I put shelves up and I never fixed it. So now that my garage is coming back, we can go ahead and get it fixed right.
How empty it is.
Huh?
How empty it is.
Getting pretty empty.
Bench to
Pretty empty.
bay table. Look, check out the J Rose Lures on Facebook.
Look at that.
Christmas sale.
Yep. Hey, be careful cutting towards each other. All right, let's get this piece out of here.
I gotta cut this way.
Isaac's getting that foam out of the way so where it's flush with the wall. Caleb, what are you doing, bub?
We gotta see if it'll.
Making our marks at 35 and a half, right? So come over here. Make you a mark at 35 and a half. All right. Now, go get your chalk line out of the bag, and we'll chalk us a line across here and see how straight you can cut it.
Chalk line.
All right, roll it up. Isaac's doing some cleanup work over there. Roll it up. Make more of a mess. There you go. Good job.
I missed the line. Once you get your blade about halfway down, all you gotta do is take your board and pop it like that.
Oh,
And that is it.
you gotta hold on to the paper.
Cut now.
We'll use this piece for that other area. Now we gotta measure how wide we need to make it, okay?
Okay.
All right, Caleb's gonna test fit our piece here. See how good we measured.
Here.
Terrible? Wow,
Look.
let's
It
see.
doesn't fit.
We'll put it up on that side. Lift it up, put your toe under it. There you go. And just kind of ease it into place. What's wrong?
You measured terrible.
I measured terrible. Bud, we're gonna have to trim it to fit, okay?
This is terrible. Caleb.
They're learning to work together.
Yeah, that ain't fit.
Yeah, it will. Let me show you a trick. If you're trying to hold it up right there, there you go.
No!
Help him, Isaac. All right, I'm gonna help him get it fit in here real quick.
No, your measurement is horrible.
All right, Isaac is trimming out a small
No, I need to use.
area for this electrical wire right here. And see it down there. And then once we get that done, we'll refit and see how it works. I'm going to show you a trick here real quick. Can I see the pencil? Well, actually, you mark it. Find the middle of your stud right here.
I already did.
Find the middle of your stud here, okay? Now you want to mark that mark up here on this wall. Okay? Right there. Perfect. Now, we got our mark. We're in the middle of our stud that's behind the insulation. So what we're going to do, we'll put our sheetrock up here, and then we can put a level on this and draw us a line all the way down so we know where put the screws at. Okay? So let me get it up here and we'll get our line drawn real quick. All right, we're level. Isaac's gonna give us a mark all the way down. Reach down over. Okay. Come over here and get that mark. Just start from the bottom, or however you want it. All right. Oh, excuse me, bud. We got our mark all the way down.
Yeah.
Now we got to put 3 or 4 screws down the middle, 3 or 4 screws across each edge. Then we'll get our mud started mixing up and getting these things sealed off. Looking good, boys.
Mud. Why are you magnetic, Isaac? What?
Stop. Right there.
No?
That's perfect. See how it's just a little past the sheetrock. Good job, buddy.
Thank you. Mixing up.
This is quick set light, 20-minute set time. So we're getting us some mud mixed up here.
We will be putting it on to finish sheetrock.
The bad bread.
No, it's not. So they're learning how to mud right now, and it's going to look like a modern. It's going to look like a modern art masterpiece of art
Look at this.
by the time they're done.
Look at that masterpiece.
Oh my, I'm doing very good.
You got to shove it all in the crack, buddy. Nope.
Yeah,
Got to get enough mud on there and shove it in there. All right.
Gotta get enough.
You're going to do this side.
You have to get enough white mud.
Yeah,
Because mud's dirt and like dirt and stuff.
well, it's called
Look at
mud.
that. Isn't that good?
Hey, Coach Adam would be proud of you for doing this.
Oh yeah, he does drywall.
What do you think this is?
Drywall.
Drywall, sheetrock.
Oh, look at that.
That's a little too much, but no, don't let that drop on. Buddy, get enough on your trowel to where you can work it, not too much.
I did get enough. No, you didn't.
You want to pack it in there good, okay?
I'll just clean that.
I'll be right back.
Wash my hand.
All right, bud, get you some mud on there. And,
All over my hand.
oh, poor thing. You're fine. Shove it in there. Shove it in there, bud. No. Watch.
Here, I got it, Daddy. I got it.
I understand that. Quit talking like a baby.
Got it, Dad.
Look, when you get some mud on your trowel, okay? And I know I don't have the right sheetrock trowel. You've got this clump of mud, okay? Turn it over and push it in here,
Okay.
okay? And then start working it, okay?
Take this excess.
No. Will you quit acting like a baby? Look, come all the way down, but you got to fill these gaps first. Okay? Put you some more in there. Come on.
This is annoying.
Put you some more in there. We heard you coming. Stuff it in there, bud.
Probably did hear me, guys.
All right. You're doing a good job. Just keep all the way down like that. I think we may try to repair this side too.
No, that doesn't need repairs.
So we'll figure it out. Get that finished up and we'll show everybody once you're done. All right, they want to clean out the bucket the hard way. So they're digging it out with their hands.
Smell.
Hey, cut it out. So
Put it on.
they're putting it in the trash can here.
New
So,
shirt. Cause I got this stuff all over my shirt.
so did you learn anything today, guys?
How to repair drywall. How to repair drywall with whatever this. My
Sheetrock mud.
fingers are sticking.
It'll stick to you. Go ahead, hold your hands together like that for 20 minutes.
They'll be like, I can't get them apart.
Yeah, hold it, put both hands, get you a good handful and put both hands together and hold them together for 20 minutes.
Can't get them apart right now.
Hmm?
Whoa. How about just try to yeet? Oh, I need some more. I need this more.
All right, quit
Yes,
playing in the
wait.
trash.
3. We're holding together for a good.
5 minutes.
All right.
We'll be back in 5 minutes.
All right, there it is. Repair's done. Not too bad for a 10 and 12-year-old, I would say. They done 85% of the work. So they done a good job, but that's how you learn. And this is how we repair sheetrock at the outdoor office. Always remember,
No matter what the season, we got you in our sights.
you got that right.